Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we have a very interesting and special knife on the channel. This is one that I had no idea they were selling on Amazon until one of the people in my groups on Facebook posted it, and I was super excited. Had to pick one up while they were still available. Today we're going to be unboxing with the 940. Let's get this thing started. Sorry for the lack of, talking. I'm just ready to get into this thing. Nothing in there. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I love that. Now, this thing is really sweet. It's got a... Well, we'll just open it up and get into it and see, but made by Kaiser. Designed by... designed by Anzo, the same one who designs a lot of in-house designs for Kaiser, but licensed through Oknife or Olight. What really drew me to this is the blade shape. So let's try this thing out. How do we get into it? Ooh. Oh yeah, very nice packaging. Very sweet. Alright. Oh, very cool pouch. What does the inside say here? Each Oknife is finely tuned by hand and expertly engineered for the best possible performance. Stay sharp with your new Oknife. Very cool. I like the pouch. Very neat. It looks like it comes with a cleaning cloth. It says thank you in the bottom, cleaning cloth and owner's manual. Awesome. Let's see what the cleaning cloth looks like. Does it say Oknife on it? If it does, that'd be pretty sweet. Oh, it does. Very cool. More of a collector's, thing for, the people who enjoy that kind of stuff. But I think it's cool to have. So, Oknife. Pretty nice little package. Get down. Oh, cool, yeah. I was wondering if it would come with this. In the back, there are these coins. If I can figure out how to get into it. There we go. Oh, yeah. That is super cool. Oknife Outdoor Elite Beagle. Wow. That's really cool. I like that. I don't carry these things or anything, but they're thought about starting a wall. I've got some from Boker, some from now Oknife, and seems like I had another one. It's pretty neat. Alright, now down to the meat and potatoes. Oh yeah. Very nice. Gorgeous green micarta. The liner's a little proud, so they're kind of shadow boxed. Beagle deep carry pocket clip. Centering is done well. Let's try this thing out. See the action. Oh yeah. And there is what I'm here for, that harpoon shape. Gorgeous. 154 cm. Access to the liner lock is very... Oh wow. Yeah. I like this one a lot. Very much so. Feels... That jimping is very good. Extends up a little farther. Feels really good in the hand. Sorry for the dirty hands, by the way, but... Wow. Wow. Very nice. Very nice. This is my first Oknife, and of course being done by Kaiser. I expected it to be pretty good, but... Oh my goodness, let's see if there's any play. No play. Up and down, left or right. No pivot lash. Let's check out that detent. Oh yeah. Sucks it right in. Yep. Home run. This is going to be a very good knife for me. I'm going to enjoy this a lot. Now, I don't know how I feel about the satin blade finish, but just like I've done, let's see. Do I have any examples? Well, this is a poor example, but you know, might have to do an acid etch and stone wash. Yeah, that's a poor example, but you know, I've done it on some blades, turned out very well. Might have to do it to this one. But yeah, this is, I'm really liking that harpoon shaped blade. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, well, there we go, guys. Thanks for watching. Click like if you like the video. Subscribe for more. Been following behind on my uploads a little bit here lately, but hopefully gonna catch up on them some with some more knife content. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.